Hey Future Monarchs, my name is Monica Green. I am the proud principal here at McMillan Magnet Middle School. We are so excited to have you come and join our adventurous program at McMillan Magnet Middle School. Come on, let's see what we got to offer you. McMillan is the only middle school with Project Lead the Way classes like Flight and Space, Medical Detectives, and Green Architecture. We have a focus on problem solving and inquiry. This helps to prepare students for our 21st century world. Come on and join the McMillan family. We look forward to seeing you here. Come on over and start building your future at McMillan.